Hello everyone and welcome to another video presentation for the course Immersive Experiences and Technologies offered by the Democritus University of Thrace. In today's presentation, we will explore one of the key strategies for mitigating the risks and challenges of immersive environments, training users. This strategy not only reduces potential health and safety issues, but also supports safe, confident, and meaningful engagement with immersive technologies. Let's dive in. This presentation is structured in 5 parts. We will begin with explaining the key technical and physical challenges as well as the pedagogical risks associated with immersive learning experiences. Then we will discuss user training as a strategy for mitigation, followed by some examples of practical implementation. Next, we will present evidence from research, and finally, we will be able to draw some well rounded conclusions. According to Kuhail and other colleagues in 2022, students frequently encounter technical and physical challenges when using immersive technologies. Discomfort is often reported when wearing head mounted displays for extended periods of time. Inadequate tracking of hands or objects can cause frustration and fatigue, while vision related issues such as blurry displays or blocked visibility interfere with collaboration. Handling the equipment also creates difficulties, for example, when fitting smartphones into headsets. Finally, audio feedback is sometimes insufficient, leaving students without proper guidance during immersive learning activities. Kuhail and other colleagues in 2022 also highlight several learning related challenges. The absence of tutorials makes it difficult for students to understand how to operate AR or VR systems effectively. In some cases, the learning materials are overly text based, which reduces engagement and immersion. Other studies mention hyperfidelity, where excessive sensory input overwhelms learners. Interaction is often restricted to simple techniques such as pointing, even during long sessions. Finally, as Scholt in 2023 argues, immersive systems may disengage students from their own physical and social context, resulting in a loss of awareness and diminished agency. In my opinion, one of the most effective strategies for mitigating these risks is user training. Training ensures that participants can adjust and use equipment correctly, reducing their discomfort and technical problems. It also helps learners to recognize early signs of motion sickness or fatigue and to take breaks. In addition, training prepares users to interact freely and safely in both the virtual and physical environment, minimizing accidents. Beyond these technical aspects, training should also promote critical awareness, encouraging learners to remain conscious of how immersion influences their perception and their agency. User training, of course, can be implemented in different contexts. For example, in schools, a VR safety module before a virtual field trip can guide students on how to adjust their headsets and move safely and take breaks to prevent their discomfort. In professional settings, such as in companies, we can also organize orientation sessions where employees are introduced to immersive equipment and best practices. Even at the individual level, users can benefit from simple routines such as preparing a safe physical space, setting time limits, and paying attention to their comfort throughout the experience. Research strongly supports the importance of user training. Kuhail and other colleagues in 2022 documented several usability problems, as we have mentioned earlier, such as discomfort, inadequate tracking, and limited interaction. Structured training can help students manage these challenges more effectively. Schult in 2023 also warns that immersive experiences may disengage participants from their own self awareness and agency. And training can therefore include reflective guidance, helping users stay critically aware during immersion. Finally, DeHacius Jr. and other colleagues in 2022 show that multisensory design can enhance their presence and emotion without increasing cyber sickness, while wearables can be used to monitor stress in real time. This suggests that training combined with supportive tools can significantly improve both safety and learning outcomes. To conclude, training users is a simple yet highly effective way to mitigate the risks of immersive environments. It reduces health and usability problems, increases learner confidence, and maximizes the benefits of immersion. When combined with thoughtful design and supportive tools, training helps create immersive experiences that are not only engaging and meaningful, but also safe and sustainable. You can find a list of references at the end of this presentation, and thank you so much for watching.